Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, we're going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. It is a massive Dollar Tree haul. I've been trying not to look in here because I honestly don't remember what I picked up, but it feels like a lot of good things. It's actually a really heavy bag and my arm is starting to hurt, but we're just going to get into it. If you want to see what I picked up from the Dollar Tree, just keep on watching. Ooh, so many goodies. Okay, so I don't know if I should make this aesthetic and actually put everything where it goes, like skincare with skincare. Oh, I'm gonna talk about a recent TJ Maxx find as well in here. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna set everything out because I want to go in order. I don't want everything to be, all over the place, but so many goodies. Yay! All right, let's start off with the TJ Maxx find because it has nothing to do with Dollar Tree, but I just want to show you guys because I'm going to be doing a look with this soon on my channel. I love the color pink, I love the color purple, and I found this. I do have the pink one as well. This is the Glamlight Kisses palette, and this is the special dark mild sweet chocolate palette, again from Glamlight. It was only $10.99 at TJ Maxx. Yeah, I think before it was like $9.99. I think it went up $1. Let me show you guys how this looks. Actually, should I keep it a secret? No, it's open. Never mind. No secrets here. Look at how cute this is. It's a little kiss. And again, I have the pink one. I've actually done a look with it before. Let's look at the inside. Oh, so beautiful. Again, purples. Oh my gosh. This is stunning. Cannot wait to try this out on my eyes. Where to start with the makeup? Let's start with skincare first. Let's get the boring stuff out of the way. First off, we have the Bolero face. This is a facial jelly mask, and this says lavender and chamomile. It's enriched with calming ingredients to help soften and smooth the skin. And look at this packaging, it's so cute. It has little flowers on it. I think this is adorable. We are gonna go ahead and open everything so I can show you guys up close and personal looks. I do need to go through my skincare and start using stuff because I'll literally accumulate stuff and never use them. This is so cute. It's just a little tube, and again, this is their jelly mask. So that's interesting. What is this for though? It says directions for use. Apply a generous amount of mask on clean and dry skin. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse. All right, really excited to see what this does to the skin. We have two other products from Bolero. They came in this type of packaging. This is their cactus water and pear jelly facial serum. It's meant to moisturize and replenish dry, stressed out skin. Looks like so. It looks really nice. And again, the jelly facial serum. I love a good serum. So it looks like so. I actually have another product that kind of comes in the same packaging. I think I kept it with my primers, but it looks really nice and promising. Again, it has cactus water and ooh, I kind of want to smell it. Oh my gosh. Nostalgia vibes. It smells really good. It almost smells like soap. Like the soap that I used to use to bathe my Barbies. It smells good. It smells clean. Okay, very excited about this. We also have, I think I got some on my nose. We have the last Bolero product. No, maybe. This is a Bolero coconut oil and watermelon facial hydrator. If you guys have been on my channel, I actually finished up a moisturizer before from Bolero, and it was so nice, so hydrating. It smelled good, it felt good. So I saw hydrator, and it says it's meant to revive dull skin with a blast of moisture boosting ingredients. So I'm thinking this is just like the moisturizer that I used up last time, just a facial hydrator, another word for moisturizer. Yes, it literally, the other moisturizer came in a packaging similar to this, except you couldn't see the product. I'm super excited that it's a clear kind of packaging because I love to see my progress. So yay, I'm so excited. This is so cute. Love it. I also love that it's like a clean kind of aesthetic. I love the decoration and stuff. It's so cute. Let's get into the Taste Beauty stuff. They came out with a bunch of lip balms. If I have a picture from my finds, I'll put it on the screen. But the first one here is the Blueberry Blast Alien one, and this is Over the Moon. And I thought this was just so cute. I couldn't leave this one behind, so I went ahead and picked this up. And this is their Mocha Latte lip balm, and it says Taste Squad. It's just so cute. I couldn't leave it behind. I really wanted to smell this one, which is why I purchased it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in here. Get in there so you can smell it. So cute, so small. It's like a little latte. Not that I drink them, but oh, it's like a little tub. Oh my gosh, it smells like cocoa bean, vanilla bean, vanilla. This smells so good. I honestly thought it was gonna be like the ones where you pull and then it's like a little stick lip balm, but no, this is the little tub, so that's cute. Let's open the little alien up. This one's so cute. How cute is this little alien? I have a feeling this one's like the one that what? Oh, it's a little tub as well. Look at how interesting this is. So you close this and then you put the little alien cover back on. That's so interesting. Okay, so I have mostly LA Colors products. I do have a couple of Be Pure products, but let's just get the other stuff out of the way. I had like 2 different designs, but I picked up the pink version and they just have like little flowers on them. So cute. I'm actually going to keep these in the little packaging because I'm going to do a full face of Dollar Tree again. I still have a couple other new products from my last haul that I need to use, so we're going to use these in that video, so I'm going to keep them in that. We also have a Be Pure product. We actually have 2 right here. We have the Be Pure Flyaway Finishing Hair Cream with brush, and I really wanted to compare it to my chamomile one. I literally use this every single day and it's like literally almost out. So yeah, basically this is just to make your flyaways go back in place, and basically that's what this is. So I can't wait to try it out. I think I'm gonna leave this in the packaging, or should we just like get in there? There's a look at that product. Ooh, even has an expiration date on it. Interesting. All right, so it says finishing hair cream with brush. It basically has all the directions right in the front so you don't miss it. It has warnings on there as well and ingredients right in the front. Interesting. And then there's a look at this one, and the Away Studio one is called their Hair Tamer Finishing Wand. It does have a thinner kind of one than this one. This is more chubby, but we'll see how this one works. Next, I went ahead and picked up the Be Pure body cream. This is a vanilla peppermint scented body cream. So I actually follow someone else who did a whole like pink Dollar Tree haul, and she didn't like the smell of this, so I kind of want to see. Oh, thank goodness it's not open. It has like this little vibe. It smells good. I don't know why she didn't like it, but it smells like peppermint, just like peppermint candy. It smells really good, reminding me of Christmas. I love a good lotion. It smells really nice. I think that was a good purchase. Love it. And it smells like candy cane, but it's giving me vibes of Valentine's Day as well. It's so cute and it smells so good. So glad that I love the scent. All right, before we get into LA Colors, we have a couple of Be Pure items. I saw the Essentially Ageless Luminizing Blush. This one here is in hibiscus, and packaging wise is so cute. It's giving me vibes of their powder, which I actually have back there, and I actually have their blurring powder on right now, as well as their foundation. So yeah, can't wait to try this out. I think I'm just gonna keep it in the packaging again for that full face of Dollar Tree, but it is like a lighter kind of color. Not sure if it's going to be a great blush for my skin tone. And we also do have 2 lipsticks. We have their Essentially Ageless Hydrating Lipstick infused with serum. And I have 2 different colors here. We have their Blush Rose and their Pink Lily. And the packaging is a little boring, but I kind of want to see what their actual like formula is like. But again, I don't want to use these just yet because I do want to try them out in that video. So I'm just going to leave these in the packaging as well. I do have another color. I have another blush, but this one is way deeper, so I guess I did end up picking up both blushes. So this is also the Essentially Ageless Luminizing Blush, Dahlia, and it is a deeper shade. Actually, I can definitely just get into them and just put them back in here. I'm just gonna do that. So there's a close-up look at the packaging. Again, a little boring, but again, this line is really nice, and I have their foundation. Their powder is 10 out of 10, so I can't wait to try out their blushes. So this one again is in the shade, what shade are you? I don't think the actual shade name is on here, but it says it's infused with camellia oil. Yeah, but the actual name is not on that packaging, which kind of sucks. But this one here again is in hibiscus. It's the lightest one. And then we have the dark one here, which I think I might like more. This is like an orangey kind of vibe, which I am going to swatch. Oh, it's like a very thin formula. Very nice and creamy. And I'm going to swatch the hibiscus shade, which is so light. There are the blushes right there. They're actually really nice. I I'm leaning more towards the darkest one, to be honest. And why not just swatch the lipsticks? I'm gonna go ahead and get into these so we can test them out. But again, it looks like the actual packaging doesn't have the names on them. There's a look at the packaging, a little boring, doesn't even say be pure on it. So that's kind of weird. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I threw away the packaging, but look at this color. Oh, that is so beautiful. Kind of smells like baby wipes, but oh, very hydrating. There's a look at the first lipstick. Hopefully I remember these are from Be Pure. And then we have the one in Pink Lily. Oh, this one's deeper. Oh, it smells so nice. Oh yeah. There's that Pink Lily, and then there's the other one. So pretty. They're actually very hydrating. So I definitely can't wait to try these on the lips. I just went ahead and opened them. Why not? So I picked up 3 different, hopefully different lashes from LA Colors from the Dollar Tree. And they come in the most beautiful pink packaging. We have this style Dainty, which is definitely the most wearable ones from this haul. And then we have the ones in Delightful. It says they're easy to apply and they're reusable. Delightful is definitely the more like middle wispy kind of vibe. And then we have the most dramatic ones in the shade Dreamy. So definitely can't wait to try these out. So cute. Love the packaging. That's definitely what drew me in. But also the styles. They're actually really nice, and definitely can't wait to try those out. I do have a couple in my collection already from that line. They're not like my most favorites, but I think they're a really nice kind of everyday moment. So I saw these at my local Dollar Tree and I thought, why not throw them in my cart? We have their new and improved highlighter stick and contour stick. So I actually do own their contour stick. I think I used it in my full face of Dollar Tree, but again, the contour stick is in tan, and then we have the highlight in just a shade highlighter. Super easy. And there's a look at the packaging. They did actually change up the formula of these products. Not sure. Yeah, I'm just gonna open them. That's what the haul's for, right? So we can look at these products and see how they work. There's a look at the LA Colors highlighter stick in the shade highlighter. So that means this is like the only shade they have then. Oh, there's a look at that. Actually looks really promising. Okay. There's a look at the contour stick in tan. Ooh. Oh, that's actually a really nice color. Okay, girl. Very nice, super intriguing. The formula itself feels very nice and creamy going on my hand. So I can't wait to see how they actually work when I'm throwing them on my face. So we have a new eyeshadow palette. This is one of their 6 color eyeshadow palettes. I actually do have the green one, which I'm going to use in my next full face of Dollar Tree, but I really wanted a more like neutral everyday one. This one here is in Hot, and again, this is, it says it's crease proof color, and it has like all day wear supposedly, so it is a new and improved formula. I did use the pinky one in my last Dollar Tree full face, so I want to do a more neutral one, so that's why I picked that up. Should we open it? I haven't opened my green one. It's still in the packaging, but it is like a new and improved formula. They did switch up their products, so you do get more. I feel like they just really, when they say improved, like they actually went in and improved stuff. So I'm gonna leave this in the packaging. This is the other product I'm not gonna open just because I want you guys to like get the full experience in that full face of Dollar Tree. I don't know why I picked up every single gloss that I saw in there. So they came out with these moisturizing lip glosses. It says it has a new look. It just looks so cute. And I think I wanted to replenish my collection. So I want to get rid of my old LA Colors lip glosses that are just kind of old and gross and, you know, that I didn't declutter, and just keep these. So I have a clear one right here. We have the one in Happiness. How cute is that? We also have the one in Dreamy Pink. This one's so adorable. And then lastly, we have the one in Cheerful. And this one I picked up because it has a bunch of little like glitters in there, and it just looks stunning. It just looks so beautiful. And also because Valentine's Day. Yes. And I also do have some new like 99-cent store products, which I did do a full face. I want to do a full face of 99-cent store makeup soon, but also I did do a haul recently where they came out with like some Valentine's Day products. All right, and that's everything. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, that would be amazing, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.